Newsbeat's latest updates. Lagos mom as 6 die, 79 injured in Lagos train-bus collision. The Minister of Transportation, the state governor, and others condole with the family that lost their loved one in the incident. It was a painful sight as doctors were attending to victims at Lagos State University Teaching Hospital, LASUT. The Nigeria Railway Corporation cautioned motorists to be careful when driving. Among those that were killed in the incident is a nursing mother and a 7 staff of Lagos State government. The immediate cause of the incident reported was reckless driving on the part of the bus driver while trying to beat the train traffic signal at a railway crossing. According to eyewitness, he said emergency workers were not there on time, and that was one of the biggest challenges, which resulted people to use their cars to cater for the injured by taking them to hospital. The state police commissioner has also confirmed the incident and said investigation is on its way. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and share.